Have you ever just felt like packing up? I mean, right now, and just leaving. Just leaving. Do you hear that outside? Let's go see. Has the 10-day forecast ever been this wrong? Okay. It's been raining since we got here the evening before last. And it's going to rain all day and all night again. And I think I'm going to get the Tioga out of here before the ground gets all soft and mushy and we get her stuck out here or something. So, we're getting out of here this morning. Even the Tioga's feeling a little bit soggy this morning. What happened to the weather? Let's go. I don't know what happened. Turn this off. I don't know what happened. The 10-day forecast said that was 4 days ago. I did that video on when the leaves changing and the season. I mean, the fall is coming. A 10-day forecast said it's going to be upper 80s and sunny and more of the same. And then here it is. Then we come out the following afternoon when we escaped. It started raining that evening. It rained all night. It rained all day yesterday. It rained all last night. And I'm thinking, well, didn't the temperatures drop? It's 52 degrees outside. It might go up to 60 today. Did the weather guys not see the tropical storm, is it Gordon, coming? I don't know, but there's flash flood watches, and it is just going to keep on coming today. The ground's probably already getting close to being saturated. And from that point, it's just all runoff. So we're going to get Miss Tioga on firm ground for the day. I don't know where we're going. Minute sheets on a Sunday morning. Boss says I smell coffee. I don't think that's what she's smelling. That's what I'm smelling. I don't need gas yet. I'm being lazy. I'm gonna put gas in the generator instead of underneath these carport, these canopies. So I don't feel like standing out in the rain and unstrapping my gas can. Standing there pouring it in. I'll do it here under a canopy. I don't have to unstrap my gas can or anything, just right from the pump. Being lazy this morning. About a rainy, yucky day. Yeah, so here's a couple of shots to kind of set the mood for the day. Okay, generator's full of gas. What? What? Good morning. Good morning. Speak. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good morning, girl. Good morning. No, we're not getting any Sheets coffee. It's yummy stuff, but we're being pretty frugal. We're getting ready for something. We're going on a big trip. We're going to watch our pennies. And my dad will say, hi, Dad. My dad always says, you remember what your grandmother used to say? I'm like, yeah, Dad. If you watch your pennies, your dollars will take care of themselves. Okay, we'll get going. I have a carafe full of my own yummy coffee, so we don't need to buy any today. What are we going to do today? Should we go down and sit by the river for a while this morning? Should we go to the auto parts store and get a couple of things? We still gotta get Miss Tioga all ship shape here pretty soon. The weeks are counting away. What should we do? Which? What? Alright. Should we do that? Should we do that? Okay, let's go. So far, we've only road tested Miss Tioga. Look, I lost some travel confidence with Miss Tioga breaking down. You know, the water pump going out, being stranded along the road, the fuel pump going out, being stranded along the road. I don't ever want to be stranded along the road again. Yeah, I got us going again, but shoo-wee, I don't want to do that no more. So I'm keeping we're just kind of staying local in this area to just run it, make sure it's okay. You're gonna get a little confidence back. But we've only stayed on these secondary roads. You know, they're kind of 45, 55 mile an hour, just out sightseeing a little bit. We're gonna run her down the highway a little ways today. I'm sure it'll be fine, but, you know, it's just, you know. Yeah, I feel better about it, but I want to feel a little better about it. Alright, rainy old day. Let's go. One thing about bumming around in an RV on a rainy day, it's still early. We're just gonna sit here for a spell. Poured a little more coffee. A couple of videos ago, the one about the leaves changing and the drone footage of the Allegheny River, I may have scared myself. I got to thinking, with the weather going to be changing very quickly here. Last year I left on November 3rd. That's like 7 weeks. It's about 7 weeks from now. I wasn't gone but a couple of days, and the temperatures just dropped off. To a cold system moved in. The temperatures dropped off. I remember looking at the current weather that one day. It was 16 degrees just a couple of days after I left. So cold weather is like, I need to be ready. I like to be ahead of the game and have these things marked off my list. We could leave at any time, you know. So, Bella, what do you think? Yeah, you only came back. You've never left before. Huh. Baxter left with me last time. What? Huh. And you came back. How'd that happen? Just quit that. Come here. Come here. Come here. What? What's all the talk about? What's all the talk about? Huh? You said let's get this show on the road. Let's get moving. Is that what it is?